Donko abo wo Costa Television denti Costa donko kasebo number ena madre bosum humi na nsama obidi numu akutiri benye de omanaga na edimfi par edisia akono na nsama abo obotogoyende sa mfi edisia akono wi mesiafa wudiba no wo oye aban ndwumamun numu dodo na ahen na wudiba no si bo hanum nchema na ta yebakare numu edunum edonu hanum nchem edonu na wowa abanima woye abanedwan woye mesiafo ni nara kesekesa mpiri woyinsen nti oma mesiafo onko hunanyim nkomotwetwe wo ho damara na abaten kesebom de wo oye mankesim abentie ba wedimfe akono na nana aburna papa no ina atetra pansema nkofre ye ne de nanan etete abofa na fa hodedo afutu na de sede akọ da ama mpemfa woka bia obam wogwamensini mu de se woy no be ye apiosika kokwado wonka ye gates afofor anampom rabaye ma insuta onkira deshi na kwantempona ahenso bafom wotum wabo ho no pa ebusafu iyi na nsem bia aka na nwabire medere bosom wo donkor kasebom wo Costa Television asede papa bi wo ho a yamfa ma edwumaku a waye ho ne pene ho na adom we so hina asen ma yede donkor kasebo ebra ho nan eda asede no bebi ba ma oye diesel gift shop ose tade na charge diesel wo oye pedu intermittent traffic light na so a ko no fa the charging umfa ma the mara na asede bi so yede ma oye Lady B Ford Avenue Lady B Ford Avenue ose bedidi na wahom nka ho pa NPA National Petroleum Authority ose use gas ni fiewo aya akono dodo edumako wona dawroma ena nwabiri we somasen mamede donkor kasebo mother Abraham aba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN afi yanjebe na yanje nsama numu nchechem amanaga na edimfi par edusia akono 69 years na afididan nsama epupami de mesafo nhyeda nko abanum nkoboa empo mpempenda ode mesafo wokokoduru no ndema bi akai esu akwan ntabofan owiege chesi obokọ secondary school nalan na wada jama wada ngwa molosan or product bohwe ne mayinfo mpanyinfo anwala wonanhwefo ana mo wachen wono ubidin ketese won agura makabande obokọ investing na ni na akaye mayinfo nkotin wewie na wo pedwuman na mesafo nhyeda nkom nti mpre wonyinsa no ahyado mpre wonyinsa na atodo pa ma akabande mesafo nhyeda nyi abanim papa Nempo afiara ne hintira enkokwa manyanya omampanya dzechira oye besia nti nda anape mama vi atenasi na oto nsafre na nanoma ahemba fa wokabi oye bam trase bonko bi se de nti mpirwonyinsa no saso anampirwonyinsa no susu na naban otedan ebe na dempo na ode mpirwonyinsa odeba na nanom ahemba fa oto nsafre won ibi na nebedo a ozenkan na ono bonchirem oche mampirwonyinsan no sunsuando anampo kwanamprewonyinsan afadoba na nanan nsama okan no ibi okan mo ozeba okay nanampa chakodo
yo nnonye yenhwende awofu ebie na wontum na wani ho mafra ankasa ntu wonfo wodanim ana de za warrior onye odo okan wasancho untunuka ono so oka ho na bisu nye de abofo no hia bibia owoda enya na wofo yeziman yemfa ma ntawda abofo na opay oka yankofo do na wokona okedi nwa wo djuma wope no nya atiko no ozime fi
nana eduama
ekire ho sedema wa ma we hu do iwiaza wo bechew iye demi na oboto se yema moframa no hu do se damabri e kaye damadi anade izi damagri ya damadi na oboto a ma fe do obotwe wo ho afiri ho nti dam kwan ya do na metoto sre education there wo bohwe na what is sex education aka hena adesua ho
okay
yes won fan ka hena adesua ho wa mamra kwan do no wa kyerɛkyerɛ sai ma afumpo no woboto nsa afre ma ya kyerɛkyerɛ ya ba kyerɛkyerɛ ho ya ready da yenye wo be ye adwuma
okay
nti no sex education oyaza important all day ye kyerɛ hiamba no na wotum twe wo ho fi ho aside that no peer group influence ono so ye ada adwuma part dem ma ohima kan ye no oba tan no wentuma anye dem adwuma no wo fi amfa ma afre no nti opoya sane yanko bi ka kyendo dem adi wo ye fine yanko na yanko so nhwa obedze echi obakọ na wa akọhwe de asam na oreka na otide they are always curious opedo ohu aza owom ti ma wa ka kye na obedze echi nti obatan no sa wuzi kan ball na manedo de mi na ote a ne yanko ne kan na obaka kyendo maame aka kyerɛ me nti e bia menyim dada but yenka nti peer group no so otum course teenage pregnancy
so ya zakata yenanyima yentum na yanyamba ntena enyuandi sex education yake nwasa yerbaka na oferda obaka ndam na oda akire na ba oruntu dzin po nka da eat dam ntidam no orenka na time bia so wode yehune de se yetu yenye yamma ya anyankofo yenye watena fie ya fember ya tena ho menye watena mama atase de sadama di ekono akaya ninsan baba ntimenye wan kofu wanyo kokrom na wasde yenkwa wonko birthday ni nchan won adam na menko ekwa ninsan baba senyame yadom na se gu sada ekonfuchira ende kapim de dun ifi de dun oze kon ekobenyin wa ninsan baba na manta benyin tun yenye mafoman binom ontum onye mafoman wanyo wantena na wakaka adam nse ohu hia papa sadaba na ba obo meyemma mesien awon sabi bebi da mada kwenye bi papa wejina na ama won so bebi wotu na wahwe
yo nana yada se na yes
ziwo
okay
na bomazina nya fraba friend aw me with this month amaje pad last month so dama no oh ma mana mu da do bi wo obo convince wa ma wo ma mi mpo ejem enti be jem na wonya boba won na ye firi epe enti dam no owode ye hunde mo friend ye nyu arekasa enyu won kasa nko echi wo amanyisa no ba wo fu poda na rumpa bakwa bakwa pra na yin ezi nkomo ama nkotum no wa kwa abo mani yankwa conference de keyi
okay
jedri no an maro baba na ozuru ba be kepa wo clinic bi ya koto de day abafo no de wona owu abafo no so ubisa wo maame wona na obon maame nizi na obandan ama so bibi anyam obi ohon ka so chen no so ono so o nurse nya onyimu no maame wo maame nyi wo na demi wanka no kwa to me do kofi wasana chi wasn't by odundu ho na why too late afọ no hwe no kon wara wo me nyi yamba o me van the virgin na the virgin did one ka say ko virgin ko na ya dam za sisi as virgin be anyi bibiara nti wo me ya fama fo nyanko am onyi so so ba me me won so so hey akafo nyi sa ba ko ma pa mo me fifie akọta obi no do debi wo me nyi won ti na fie enyi won kasa na me adom na se ko no ba obi onyi bi ya bo ne ya hwe no wa ya jeba na wasana waso ne school ma bo ma kan ye
amti na ma ye po ya yere kasa na impempi ne se ehu de obi mpo ato obi mu na afraba obi akafa na kasa na abefie o de wo report ma police na wo beb na wo hwe na wo sesi asam asotwe o se fata wazi ma benyin kro na oye damazin na nemfefo a wo wechi so we sua de se me ye bia mo so mako police station na mako cells no wonya ne dem abatan no woja asem no wo fie na benyin na odi dem dwuma na bia ne mpanyinfo bi waaba waaba toto asre wopachew won fa nche no wo bahwa afran waji skash won ho wo awofo na agiska na afra no mom na obefa dame yawu obre na adi nyinemu inyi moda afra na nyim ebia se dame nyinsen ya amba na ochie do ko ni school a baby obokwa akodu dame sika na nipa no rekada obey odzeba manana edan na obesiza amane na ade obotum waye ma waabor
okay
bas okọ na bia nyinsen yimu bibi kesi na afra no ofimu a ahwere wo ba ahwere wo ade nzapa ko wo n'anyim nyina abon ma ebi mpo a na onno ye ebusua na enyiwa mo aha ebusua no so enti amede mon so de ma de no do de nipa na beka de owobi enti no yanje na yemfa man na onye na ntina ono so ya another issue mpo afra na owa ono nche de by force ala onko aware
okay
impempi yehu de ma de no so de onye na wa hye ne nyinsen no yetu anamo waja atum do ampa amena meye wa hwe no mo wawo owo wi awofo ne se waren won ware dem nya dem no wo ware enyo oya aguru na wokedi na dem aze no poi mobile ono nkyere de by force ala ode o ware wo ban awoda wo hwe na what's wa fran na oto na adisua do
okay
adisua na ona na sisi ayezi ye bibia e be pam aza first na wonyim de ade pam na nko school kura botuma apam carpenter anko school abotuma ye inda bibia ya adisua nti ye pon woncho ye totosre awofo se demazi yo sia ye ngiska ne mfa nhye ye ho na mom ye nhwe de afa no bowo asomdwe mu ane de oye na asede odo oye nyinsen no wo ho a odo benyi no otumo ohwe ma oba no owo fa no ho fa no ba owi a kasa bi oho bia wonhwe no wonsese na wonte wa afran na besia na owo ye no onya kwan na so omo ne bra
yeah nana edase
da me yekiara se ezewebufu ezekọ dama asem ya yekin do afro no da bi mutum fifie
okay
on nsen ko na rema kwakọ hwe bi kura wakatena ni hu na ebi ebohu no nyame bi wa adoma no wa afa no ba
okay
ebi ebohu no so po wakwa awema omba ozi adwene bi ache ne tirim na odi su ntina kwa okon we fifie na okon onyim do be fia wore njin tu oba orbetete nti onara onyada orsanaba enko nna sanye na awofo ye kan manufuo de onye hwe oye accident anade oye agrubi nekedi me yaba no mopo cho tino ho memmo bi andada na brago no so ye na nche oye me ye za mama from an entity wo atase de se wo na se wangoro bra nyinsan pe butwa fine bi anade butu efiko me de ma nkan agona gbogbo abasa nyokejo no
nana muntwa na dam bragron ebe na adze na obey ma dam sisia ye hu ni biewi
mfacho yo mnda se dam asaso ka chen de nana no ye ya abosomosomo fo wo kan de o ya abosomoze nti na aso wa be sese wo Ghana ya kana abosomo ye de 500 nti dama asofo ni bi no wa bra dama aja offer na brago nazi se mama makanya
okay
so no so kan papa if club of what shall say the way once nyende
okay
nyende what's some you gonna co programs with what's some first time to we one of ya wodo na one in there what's some no for ya wodo wa tado was one with you okonom asino so was one skirt kakra bi wa ase another short make bi na what's that one na egodo bibia wa asem yes ono de ofin rampa wo do asem ba no konkrom na okoko eni brago no as dipo no
azman
nyo na hia ne de ye dia ne som ye za ye wayamba
echem
bitina
yo
na yakọ mankesim wo befi krom eho na abofra wedi mfe akono onye ne nana onye nete antekaya onye nete antekaya saba sembeyo aba sembeyo abor abofra na manuhu nyina apapai aye ikutwa na bra nsamchofo boepin abofra ba kakraba na wonye ne bonkoman ma akaba na anyi de waka se ne nana oye ne radio a otie nkaka akran abofra de kidago wa said ini sasunti na maame oda abofo no hyedem no osɔbueyim abesa abofo no do popo oida mo yin yankuti pen na abransa ntwafo kupe mu na wonye hona woti ifie horbo nkoman wo che me de da woti anye de maame no orkacha abofo no de oyede na ose radio oyede na ose tape oyede na ose woti ya na ebulisi do wo babu mu biara maame no ankasa wo hu te abofo na oda memfi odubo abowon na ofide mu opoe na akaye nsembi poto eyenti hona woti benife oda abofo no kupe mu oye police station wo mankesim de a police fo yidi anwan wonhwe na wonka bi sesala ye kese police fo nya abedenden a wo hwe antekaya wo oye be fikrom na wonyen edi nsawodo ahwe de za ode ye naban anane nanan mesra mu dase oye ne nana na da ode ye ne nana no kwan da anyen ana de wafo mu kwan ye da nsama yansaka efi mankesim be fikrom ebusuafo yanchiado na yanko oye UCC kokwado apiosika na UCC apiosika no akaye kurowa no kwani bebi awoda no afana afari na yensu nkoten na sa insuto kakrabala no kroni na eyi ntende adesha owo wondi dem lusufre aban lusufre wona woka bi oyeye titsarin potawan country plan nde wombre na woma mpeyimfu nhwe kwana obafa da obaye nsesi esonko beebi a insuta insunu bafa amonka bad na insuta insunu biyiri afa hone dan afa hone japade ina na onu supo uwia wa dentutosa amaba na de gata munchimanka weyi mba obaye ma insunu bafumu akọ monka bande insubo kodemu no so waboa na adesha wowo kokwado apiska wonin sama woken ibi
one board be mo two board ni gu onye ehwe be me go tenisi na be mo two board ni gu anto ma institute ana de bibi keke bo de board no druba gaten mu na azoko so mo fra de che ya bokwa yi men institute men o de wo try there wo beti go ten mu zaman onye aza man ye botum ya aye oye chide machine wetum weti go ten because onye gata kakraba ihe manfu ye botum ya aye ntazo o ho hen pa an de nche ye bokon sum bi aza wonti go ten mu he na board nso osi won o ho o de wonye container because board wo jiska na wo digum nti se tunu wo benya akoye ma wo fa na wo create wo na wa yan de ma on board no ho obodu aba go ten mu nti ma so ma bi na o ho mo ne malike de matwa ase kakra old baby so nta ase kakra so onye me because sisi a we sisi we sisi da na ewie to dey bia ho a woto ase wo si da na o we bia o jo 6 feet engine 6 feet nti so o chedo paadum pa car botum edu ho ba sisi a bia esi ni di na esi nti o bende se wo access road na nda so hwe asase no bom waaye na impako wo bu ni da na because whole road nda ho na wo road so ya za road da ho za on motum akre bia wo bu ni za ofete ba se road nda no wo pere wo road to a mpakuna andi dance won wo baye ne den pocho malaka nan mu ba ye bia na onyim da mazen me sabe ameze me ye me to kakra me to baye 6 feet fi ho ba bi le lawyer ne de wanto nti mo ti bi wo ho onyim let's say akaso a mfa na hanala onye enyim ye baby a wo je yin wo twan de wo ye ayat wo che ekoto lanta nwa wo twan lantin o assassin ru anu men wo bi a wo wi a wo to road what it was ba han on there until them to want to them loading nti hafu so e bia bi ho onyim da maadin da o dem ye nti bi ho osi ni dansi ne de pepe do oya ada se oya kwan da ho ada onmble mu otum gun ba bia kwan onye baby akwan da nti se wa wo hwe map num na se he bia akwan da ho no we si den wo ho a otum wo gun ona ibuna anya bi wa ma menyin pi ba nim ma mo bi na papa wo ma ho na mete o baby wo rolling sabedo na road nda ho ba am da ehwe ho na o ye road so wo budan rolling so the road to nso no de say Sudan so baby all the road da za no hwe map na road da ho za o de wo bu na one so say bi asaban le na adimpo na se asase ye wa wo de yes wo benye obotu an ko benye baby ama ne da ono ye de mpo aban botum wa ye mo so do ye se kere ne mpina ono botum we bu na o nche o ka go fi the baby the honest wo be road na sa aban na o sko obotu an ka no be papa da ama ne da ono de abana botum waye
Water na other offendant. A womp run about no so was there, but water no other one. The Mugata no being at the Wabayam Wabasher. No, what the Numuna Wayan or to win or so on ye into Snota, and one know you, Mawaso, one I didn't yada. Okobasti na na dinya nti je ba sa de water wo bo hwe no wa be me na wa ye so ma wa akɔso amama nsu ne ba ne so ya hwe me obayi na otodu so ebien ye be hia de nche water wo mu de wa ha de wa ye water wo be ya na nche we kesi bridge kase na itwe bridge wa akɔkɔ dem nti okedem na oche de nche orukopum na wa ye ndem so a odem a ye ho na ha su da wo ye isu de owo fom ewo benya owo fom adanti wo mama oba so enwa oba so na nsu no oba no wade wenye kwana aba abati ojoko nwa mamfa hawo mamfa mamfa be mamfa mo nwa woto na asase wu anum na woto na asase won na de woto na asase wo hunde kwanda ha mo no ma nsu awodo ofom nta ha ye tona onyeye enwo mo ya chana ye tona onyeye nti se amide ma aba ma agboto na se menyim de won da manoti na awoso eya asase wenyim de wo won da manoti a ade wanka sai den iye agboto na ama mo so ma to ade me ye dem me ye bibi wodo me ohun de ma ye bibi wodo nti memfa brem fa ma won ma wo na ho kase wo won ma woto na asase ade wo hun de onye ade ye di me pakwa
na kokwadofo apiosika wonen nsem yara do na owura Duncan ono na other Duncan group of company ano oya sovia na nejuma oya no odansew nti ono de bra akoto da mahawon na asam ko tintin tete ayin de oya hawa ebusua woto na asase no wagya to na so oda tawon country planning payfo wobam na obohwe mo wunya access road osande sa da mo kwa na ote da mo da ho a na gata butum afaka kwan nchen nti bra wotonto na asase no wanfa wo da na sempempe da wedu na sensu bubuda afako da ono wache na adwen da mampefo a woka bi oyeye da wonhwe na da midime do ote da mo wo ma onye adwuma no sa na access road no ba ono bunya bebi a gata bafa bebi a car so obafa wo danka no so nsama okay ne bi
Ata Appeals almost by 25 years. But in Zimbabwe, I'm the Appeals for Oizinya. It being the access road development. But I'm the olden days now, was started Appeals UCC Beno. When ya Soviet Papa Moya demarcation. So more demarcation ya poor. And can man away was where I know about what to about the tour. Baby was a Babaruka Kotuno we assassin was the more. But when two months of year and 2 months soon Appeals Casasi, Moile out to Appeals Casasi, access road or but access road is very important. Women be say, I shall be or the access road daddy. Uncle for PCC wanted. In this Sutra, and soon you baby or offer. Gates and I think Gates is so. The whole university for one issue, no from. And so, but them are so in Sutra, so university was about. No, I don't know, we know I'm a flat night in there. And that's also. Nancy, I'm put away the bridge, or I'm put on my sister, why you can. But I don't call away a semi man who could so I tried there. A program there, access wouldn't be, but you want what's a command, what's the hatcher? And see, you want to feel as a whole bullet and caca, so where another was so, but as I'm feeling, it's a give and take. What's as a caca, why shift? Is what as a why shift? No, I'm access would not add them. These are confunded for TV. And no, what to call. In this suit to be a one or about a hang and shoot her. Or tear any baby in fact, and so to one hour when they did, but was one day to wait. Ibia and to go baby. And the Apioska problem is layout na yeju mo Apioska. Development na yeju mo Apioska. Into my work penalty development about Apioska you find difficult. Oba be enemy. And I'm one my para say me way in there. I say me baba no wa ma nyene wo ko ma hanyina. Wa san ko. Nyina ya ba wa ma technical man and so be engineer ba. You able to assist. Na actually because your town sheet or what or your access road or the base road. The town sheet is there. town country plan make so department dem dem nyina ho but we bu asem we bu nye guru wo ba wo ba campaign woko but access wo no mo ko na egbu no onye wo because of the man some UCC kwampo ntu mo kuri because of access road nti se ko no kubu na road da na kubu bi ni de na ontase ono the enemies abodo or the confusion abodo it be free there after problem wa no oso papa na ko fu pie bi Brazil na yi na ze pere we was one pin nti wo me nyina yi nso wo nso wo nyipa wo me nyina ye mbo ma adana ne wo yi me nyina ana mo na asem road ti wo se eto wa asase na asase na bottom first no wechi no so ru no se wono wonya access road e wa de for easement dem easement in law no chere or there say asase wa asase kakra ho na se bia anya access nkoni fi a or there wa asase no de wo yibi iso yi ne na wotu wonji access wo de kofi on easement nti assembly azam wo hwe won de mo engineers na payful be no visit Apiuska no hwe Apiuska no ne UCC fo mo nyina on collaborate na asomdwe bra Apiuska na access no nsu no yi nkofo men twa na nsu yi nkofo na enkere na do full ba because years back nsu yirim o yiri won wo hade nyina me nyina yi but bridge no be no waboa but access road is very important na gates na so onya ha gates UCC na wade ma binim na be de meduma ni poro be eduma why qualified ni poro be eduma zo wa as one ka say no onye qualified contractor come and have a look because entumi construct a gata na eduma ye nyina beberi nya nhyewa anye ni nti odan che UCC for the matter of contract na we oro bo hwede eduma no ye die ya na wa ye eduma ni wa gini sika ko so wonu su na dina passes through nti one ka say UCC for bo hwede eduma wo madam contract o ye ni ya na wa ye ni odo bem ko bo hwede the maji o ye ni ya na wa ye ni na odo obi sende we show no use na odi ye eduma no ko odi ahwena na ti no ahwena no concrete na adi no o use the right ratio o use the right cement odi ya the maji odo che UCC what checking the pakono o the maji na ye obi mo wa ye qualified contractor wa kwa contractors kwa contractor bi wo fi do wa nyime sinfa ye eduma to contractor before become a contractor they go school so po e go school pa e bi eba odu sua anyi bi ye more than 10 years to 15 years and say na be able to makere e be contractor no papo ye onu mu loss bi na onye mu course bi order ya answer ba na nde bi ko school ba na onye mesin fu na so contractor onye contractor we have to get a qualified surveyor a qualified contractor an engineer a qualified engineer even in Kofoko, Wakosu engineering work, Wakosu engineer was school, Wakaya da may civil Nazeba, no what in Sefi, what man was your contractors. Massa, do the right thing. Assemble to my catch a mayor. Mayor is not doing the right thing. Mayor, more than the ba. Eboshe, fine, bra, no more shed, Apuska, Abana, being the Apuska echo. Bravo should be Apuska. In suit of problems as well. Remember, General Kofon Dada on Enco. Bra, no more shed as a oracle. I'm also a chebi the car can ye. But any team KJ baby, no. May you wind them. Come to the ground. Men may be in show. One ankasa for time na bra. Moshe more koru apiuska. Eba say Nigeria. It's an eyesore. Come and see. Witness it with your eyes. It's an eyesore. Inti bra. No one chill ma problems or koru apiuska. Men bana binimum new kajinje baby away. I need access road here. Ebi hey esha ebi we. No man was in pokuna to tame. Wonya kwanu mfa impakompo nko no the time ebi ejeto mu hade a bia ntumba entumma na mama mere mazi no nsusu yi ye no hade a ka bia ntuma matu mama mafa biala mfa nko nza pios kan ye problem papa but ye mpemfunu na sabi ye mu bi mo nka no kwal ame man ka no kwal ebe so amusu fie wa pios ka ebe so ma chi oda ha na pios kamati ha na problem wo na ahwe ya hwe kone botu ya resolve that problem no wa pios ka no me feel dem botu mabo nyina
Last time, yeah, embark on decongestion exercise. Me kaide, ube bisa me say, we the 9-day wonder. Me catch us said there be as far as my remain the commander of this place. You better making sure say there is sanity, and then there is orderliness on the road. As in, omo parking vehicles. Any the friend of Pragia that is motor tricycle or kwando. Omunyinara be call according to regulations. On one I pursue, and that's in your own face you can see that you start or you continue the decongestion exercise from Academy Junction to police station proper. No, within a twinkle of an eye, every beginning to the end, a coin so I clear. One guy's how do camera to someone say I clear from here to the end. Nature say yes, we are sustaining and it is good for the country and it's good for Ogwemai. Before we embark on this, we arrange with the towing people, that is the road safety people, to give us 4 towing vehicles because it's going to be a wide range of exercise. But unfortunately, they were able to provide only one of these. On Cape Coast South side, so they cannot help us immediately work on those rickety ones left on the road. But with time, I believe that by the close of day, we'll be able to tow all of them to the police station and carry on with our business. I want to say that they should be law-abiding. They shouldn't see police before they begin to be law-abiding. Yes, it's an act of indiscipline. And Mr. Rowan, so that they won't see me as an enemy. No, I am a good friend and I want peace and order to be maintained. That is why I'm doing all this, but not to create enmity between me and the populace. No. So let everybody be law-abiding and we will all be at peace. This will give me the opportunity to visit the church on probably the next Sunday and see the leadership. Myself, I want to see that it has happened. Then I'll gush into the church and give them advice to desist from that. Otherwise, the law is no respecter of anybody. You can be a pastor, you can be chief, you can be anybody. We are all under the law. So I'll go on them and give them an advice to be law-abiding as far as parking of vehicles, congestion of the road are concerned. Just as before we embark on this exercise, the publicity had been very high. We warned everybody over 2-3 weeks before this exercise continued today. So really, I'm going to do that in the church.
Na police pay kasa wie na CCMA kwanchefu pay na anu ohwe ogwa na etifi na so de nsam tu gwachiri me de nokwa dwumeda wuridi no oyeda oboboa mogwa ate wansi na se kalaba na ta onema do name na onya hobia nti da what ba fa hen na fikar kwemu mechire to cars no de why krado na mom se mpempendu ya no ambada umde chiri no ni na baba fa ni na ifi akwanum ho manumu adem opeyina oda oya CCMA meche Cape Coast North office nano no so nsama okani bi.
Yes, I say no, I'm the Okroye, but within some 2 or 3 weeks, no, you were there as wasn't for no woman was an or back. Now there's an eba. Na eba was an BBI. Okay, Yabam is a announcement. It's not me there, bidum walk on, but all tribute to be no an eba. Everyone impromptu. Na yabana yaba shena yama BBI. Oh, baby, or market inside or there. What's na otanazi, but was the one baby was a warehouse. No wasn't the manegum, no way in Zaman was a bogu, car quan one Walton, which is very bad. And we are aware, leaders near our market queen and a market management committee. When you know we are aware, a meeting, engaging one on several occasions. There, one should not coincide, but I'm there as wasn't an see. One zaman always baby or she took room when I say, well, I'm say or marketing ye. Ebo was the turn with the we are. Be measure be about what I ain't inside there. About now crown na atanazi. A quantity samansin dam na car bi ni break o fail a obaba ba shodo na wenzu dama na wa say won zama towing machine leba you request for towing machines car but it's unfortunately a couple na yensa kan na ekro so pressure na Cape Coast South is very high into we use no into menyo kase ampo from there one on Pedu Junction or whatever into oba one you are say si kwanu nya ebo mo na ifi ona kakra mpere mkan na sisi awole to nya sha ekwanu ma da say de bia wa dem a nche mejizi de traffic flow ebasna enya 1 minute mpo na edube miracle na se won zaman so etwa no ehye no inside na etwa na obi aba odo tumo gina bebie na wa tazi masaka bie ya wa ambehye wondo
na tuyenchem no mubuafo mpayimfa won so wodi adwumadi na chire mede no kwani wa bobo papa na yiba ma onkaba na de ehene bi ne break atoma obutwu afa egudefo no do wo oya kar kwanum da so ogina do na odoto nsanchefo enyim de adoma do no ma onye nsanchefo ehye yide onfa na asemintom framam na nsanchefo wonfa ma adehidama wote ben bebi a insuwo ogwa hade enyim de wona wote ben sumi na akwesu echi kakomodo apiosika akotache kwapro amomoma adesadar pedu ayiko wona wote antem wona wote skafa mantem dam brono ni na ya brono ansuta adesha hor wabira pa ntina samanye de insun obi ni tire o ntosra homa enyim pefede bebi ate nsuta oyiriza na no bomaden kwahwehwe bebi katena ansa na nsun eyir na wamba ne de na nadmofo baba na nadmofo amba osan na mo na garede obi yo da abere wo na so bebi abadan oni ya saman nti nadmo kwanchefu penisu nsama okay ne bi
bofo osade ye ka ho ye bebi osan da he yen ko mandate papa pep prevention or dey etum ye prevent ansa na asem na esi nti nam de congestion ya or kodo ye papa ma kwana dem in case of any disaster bi obesi bia no ka bia etum emu freely na wetum wa ke save nyimpa na nkwa nti oye pa na nadbo ode de yen hugim na ye hwema oye ye ncheche ye papa mbribia ye ko radio do community radio FM stations ye ko community engagement nti ye ncheche papa na mum onyi de ye jai ode still ye continue na ye ncheche na dem obeya obi abohu nadmo na edwuma titira odoye na yetum ye edwuma so de buat memfo mo bia no hoto yo afuto a meze ma manfa wo hwe mewi abiri nye de sisiara da mimbri onche biara ma insu ato intino yeretu amanfofo de awu biara ewo bebi a oye disaster prone area na the flood prone area ebo bombarding de sagata na numu esiwa ebehwe na etim mansu na etum wa afema akọ na amabibi kasibi entum amba na aba no so no ho atọ na timemfo so ya ho atọ
na sanchofu wonen kabamku a owo finfimanto maha watonsa afra sanchofu ina da wombre na afekwensi ni na zokure ye ne dan koye nu wonhwe na wonye ntote mapa wobu won kompo no webu nkonta ahwe sanchedwuma no wa finfime ben onye edonu enum titampo edonan bra omanga na kwoto aba ansa na yebowura edonu enu no mu no da okrodo man sanchofu bom modern kwa pro kafa nsamba momban da finfimanto mahade aba yetowen oya asomdwe no nsanchofo mra na umuhu konta bra wakatana ase no sanchofo ina unuku batan a owo finfimanto ma kwanchefo pe na oda no Kingsley na buedu de nsamtugwa na man sanchofo ina ayiko na mu na edwuma ye na ototesa hunde wa ye bi de yade wemda afisu ayewomi obeye mu achendam chairman na buedu nsama akanjum nasen ibe
gathering marks a significant milestone in our journey as media professionals in the Central Region. As we come together, let's seize this opportunity to share insight, exchange ideas, and strengthen our bond. Our theme, press and chills, embodies the spirit of camaraderie and collaboration that defines our profession, and let's work together to shape the future of media in our region, address challenges, and celebrate our achievements. Whilst we do all of this, let us reflect and ponder over the following. 1. Our professional and ethical conduct. Of course, we are all tenants when our song coming from all over, we have most of you. As a media association, we want to urge you, we should continue to be holding on to our professional and ethical standards. We need to be careful, take our security and our safety very seriously. One thing that, of course, has come before, and many often we get our members being brutalized or getting into certain situations that, under normal circumstances, we shouldn't be getting ourselves into. In terms of safety, let's be careful. Where you are not supposed to go to, even if there's a program you are invited, and you get there and you realize that your security, your safety is at stake, please advise yourself and let's know how to go. There are certain places you really go, you are wearing your jacket. Even this jacket thing that we use to wear, it has two sides. There are certain places you will feel uncomfortable putting on your jacket. For the sake of your safety, remove them. Some other times, it's also very important for you to put on for identification and some recognition. But know when to be put on and when not to put on. Know where to go and when not to go. The fact that they are working with you, the fact that most of them may be having secondary school, but they work more than somebody who has university degree. And let's take into consideration even the minimum wage. Please. These are some of the things we want to discuss. I don't want to be there with it. Let's also up our game. Let's consider their welfare so that they don't also go out and do things that they are not supposed to do. Because, for instance, if a full-grown man with children is working with you, he gets up early in the morning and is paid, for instance, 500 cents. How do you expect the person to survive? These are some of the challenges. These are some of the things that push our members and our people to do things that they are not supposed to do. So sometimes we are not able to force them so much. But the point is that you have signed on to that. So whatever you are taking is up to you. Let's ensure professionalism in all of that.
Na chama na nabodu kase wie no abanka chipe na ohwe gwamensin asoyedo oye honorable George Justice Atta na so odi imbo na ye sonko the man sanchofo wa frequency na edwuma so na woye de bo managa na titrampo ogwamensin asoye honorable George Justice Atta no so nsama okani
the hardworking journalists and media professionals whose dedication continues to shape public discourse and strengthen our democracy. Your commitment to informing, educating, and holding leadership accountable remains indispensable to national and local development. As mayor of Campus, I deeply appreciate the strong partnership between the media and our city in promoting transparency, community engagement, and development across the metropolis. Your platforms have consistently helped amplify the progress, challenges, and aspirations of our people. As mayor, I also wish to take this opportunity to share some of the significant development currently taking place in Campus, since you are generous, and I believe that you carry this message across. And we will also trumpet home what, through His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, has actually done for the good people of Campus. We have successfully launched our ambitious 8-year development plan. And on 11th March 2026, we will organize a development forum and fundraising initiative at the Lancaster Hotel to mobilize support for its implementation. And I want to tell you or inform you that the regional minister for Central Region would chair this very important forum. Under this plan, we have earmarked 5 transformational legacy projects, namely the Professor Tony Mansell Presidential Library. I know, and we are all aware that His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana has actually constituted a committee to ensure that this library becomes operational. Refurbishment of the Cape Coast Metropolitan Hospital, the establishment of a children's park in Cape Coast, a blood museum to honor our fallen heroes, and the refurbishment of the historic 1844 building. That is where the war of 1844 was signed.
Na nsanchofo wonu dwumedi na asenara na finfiman tom suafo onobu eduamu a ochiripeyin na so odna emyam kate echi na onon na orabaka de nsanchofo sesare wedwuman abrasa ode wuyi oye amanyasam mecha political party funa wo hihye won atalen ode wuyi fim osande party bi abobapa wo bialan kansa papa da oye da papa mnemum ori amana kapia anone tafu kasepa onyo na so sanchofu kuya na obaka papa na wasan waka na bonen nto obesan sanchofu de sansam no worka won kan da motena onabu eduamu ochipe no so nsama okani bi
na social media mwe de what is in the what show asama wa no honestly, minister said them will better say way information to what show up. So when you want to know what some for when you are a best show, but will be so as a woman into the young. Honestly, Mama, when you're limited to the gadget, I get and baby, and let me more say no beats maybe some assembly show, not to focus. Other folk are not happy. No, but I but it's a matter of time among Namuya investigation of Mutuna, Munya, and some Namucho. Most political parties influence because I say they influence on my life. I want time to be a president. As a president, they influence more education and to my car. What do we do? Why? Then I say, I'm actually there. Once a media or people was a member radio or from I've had 2 calls, but I will not ask me to come to the show, so I want to come there. What happened to going to the site to report? But by the time they get the master, they are over there. Young person are able to be. How much if the minister are matching 5 o'clock, what was society in the Bakasa? Yeah, we know that show. Present, let's go to the farm, let's go to that school you want to talk about, let's go to the community sugar factory, let's go to the place to have the thing physically. Ask me questions, meeting on a whole answer. Make them on top of issues about me. On a boy, a better one was success. The young person, I'm a friend now, walk up now, one, but a bit of my capacity to put my friends. Me one way. You can watch you on the one you have one motor man. This is some associate. Check our back. And there's someone that from this and some would die.
It's a Mshafo, Fifi Manto Shafo, Honorable Edamu Chipe, Ninsama, or Kano one Sanchofo, Uneshi Dinasan, Ono neighbor general name Yabiri, Yade Don Quer Casabo, Costa Television, Yade Abba Ewi. Monfas da Sonko, Monfama, Oye, Lady B, Ford Avenue. Na asere bi so nkoma the sell gift shop en fa asere mi ma NPA eduma ko wona da woro ma na wusema asen na nyabiri mede don kro kasebo mede brahum asere bi so nkoma Filippo asere bi nkoma Ankaben na onye oye executive producer Mama V wona wona da woro ma na mede nsami mede brahum aba from Ketikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN Omoyina omo ne hwa ahenwa abraw enyado onyinda no ye wono chena